Maddie, what do you think? You want to go see the birdies?
I want to feed the fish. I want to feed the fish. You want to play?
What are they doing?
Yes.
What are they doing? Good.
Mom, go see the fishies. See the fishies.
What you think, Maddie? Is that Fruit Loop? That does. That looks like Fruit Loop, doesn't it?
It is.
Oh.
Oh, there's his tunnel.
See him?
Yeah.
Maybe she's gonna feed him. Yeah? Is your name Nigel? Maddie, I think it's Nigel. Oh, are you a pretty bird? You a pretty bird? Are you a pretty bird? You are a pretty bird. Are you a noisy bird? Are you a noisy bird? Yeah, are you hungry? What?
No, I'm trying. What?
What?
What, buddy? Hey, fly.
What?
Fly. Fly. I can't worry. Is it?
It's a what?
Is it a yellow python?
It's a reticulated python, Jackson. Reticulated python. Whoa, look at you, Jackson. Ramsey in the shark mouth. Maddie, you can go stand by your brother. Roar, he's gonna bite you. Hey, look at the little sharkies.